Hi, my name is Alex Carlucci with GustanCho.com. You might have been through this situation, maybe not, but if someone runs your credit and they tell you that they only see a couple trade lines open, you need more open, you're like, what are the trade lines? We tell you, and you say, wait, what about my Chase credit card? Well, sometimes Chase may not get the notification from Experian or Equifax or TransUnion. It might not report, and you need to get those reporting. So you would have to call each bureau, and sometimes you have to call the creditor and find out what the glitch is and why it's not reporting. And this could help your score or make you eligible for a loan on a computerized approval system. So first thing I would do is I'd call the creditor and make sure that they are reporting it to all three bureaus, and if they say yes, call the bureaus and ask them why they're not reporting it and get to the bottom of it. Now you can Google the Equifax, TransUnion, Experian phone number. You can Google your bank's phone number. So if you're having problems with that, please call both the person that you have a credit with and all three bureaus, and you'll figure out what's wrong, and they can solve it and get a reporting and fix your credit. Got any questions, please give me a call, 630-915-7550. Please subscribe.